So you can just tell your name. Huh? Shaya. Srishant. Shritika. Swapna. Yeah, just I will move. Very nice. All the mandalas, it is very, very nice. It is superb. It is, wow, great. Your good name? Swimmy, yeah. Simran. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Can you show it to us? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that is very wonderful. Can you show it? Team, this one is also very nice. I will put it in the, I will show you people that so that you will be able to see. You will be able to see. Yeah, that is also very nice. Super. Very nice. Okay. Wow, that's great, yaar. See, she has drawn the psychology, the logo. Very nice. 1 second. Yeah. Wow. So, it was really very nice. How it was for you when you are drawing? Anyone can share your thoughts? How it was when you were drawing with the music? What is that you felt? At any point of time, have you felt becoming one with the drawing? Can anyone come and share your, what is that you felt? Can anyone come here? Anyone, please? Anyone? Yeah, please. Yeah, Mike. Oh God, that's great, yeah. This one is marvelous. Superb, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Hello everyone.
Yeah. Listen, please. Yeah.
My name is Sharika and I am from Andaman and Nicobar Island. First of all, I want to say that this drawing in Andaman, I used to draw it daily because I don't know it was mandala. It's a specific drawing which is called mandala. I just used to draw it in the form of mehndi or rangoli. When I came here, yesterday only I know that this is a kind of art which was done by monks. And today I am doing this as a therapeutic therapy.
So,
it's a great experience for me.
So you enjoyed it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
So at any point of time you felt that oneness with the drawing?
Yeah, when sir told us to close our eyes, many diagrams were coming in my mind. And when I used to draw it, and I was like forgetting it, but when I started drawing, it automatically came. I knew which would be the next design. It will contrast with it. That's it.
Very nice, beautiful. Claps for her. Anyone else? Anything which you would like to share? Anyone else from the team? Yeah, please come on. Please come. See, that means every day in India, when women come and put outside this rangoli and all, it is therapy actually. So even in those days, people know that the emotional stress the woman is undergoing. So ventilation, even in those days, people have created these kind of things so that a natural outlet of the emotion will be happening to women. Even 200, 300 years before, people were doing this, isn't it? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. A little bit louder.
Actually, I felt like this is my feelings basically. Like when I was drawing with the music, it was kind of so much of mixed of feelings were coming into my mind. And I want to interpret it as like dark colors are my darkest side, and the light one like yellow are my normal side, and the red is my emotion at peak. I felt that basically I was drawing it. I don't know why I draw it black around in that, but now I feel like I don't want to show to others that
Wow, you are great. Great interpretation. Great interpretation. Very nice.